The Nagaland Assembly on Thursday has passed 6 bills by voice vote. The bills include the Nagaland Goods and Service Tax Bill, the Nagaland Municipal Bill, and the Disqualification on Ground of Defection in Urban Local Bodies Bill. Speaker Saringyan Longkumir put the bills for voting, after which they were passed by voice vote. Subsequently, Longkumir adjourned the House sine die. Earlier, on August 28, Nagaland Chief Minister Nefurio said that his government will deliberate on possible amendments to the 3-decade-old Nagaland Liquor Total Prohibition Act after extensive consultations with civil society groups, the public, and the church organizations. During the first day of the monsoon session in the State Assembly, the focus was on the NLTP Act of 1989, which was originally enacted to curb alcohol-related social issues such as domestic violence and public disorder. The discussion, initiated by Advisor Mautoshi Longkumir and supported by Minister Tamjen Imna Along and Advisor Dr. Krekel Howley Yomi, addressed the ongoing health hazards posed by spurious liquor, which has become widely available despite the prohibition.